Hello, my name is Sheridan, and today I'm going to be teaching programming basics for the app Proloquo2Go. Feel free to use the timestamps below to skip to the part of the video that you need. Let's get started. To create a profile, click the Settings button in the bottom right-hand corner. Click User, Add User. Then you are going to type in the name of the user. Click Next. Here you can select between different languages. Next. And here you can select between different voices. So these are the voices that are already installed onto the device. If you scroll down, there are many more voices to choose from that simply need to be installed. So for today, we are going to start off with Lizzie.
Hello, my name is Lizzie. I'm one of the child American English speech.
Next, you can choose a grid size. So for today, we are going to go with a smaller grid size. Click Next. You can choose a skin tone and then click Next and Finish. So now that our profile is completed, if we wanted to go back and change the voice, we would click Settings in the bottom right-hand corner, Speech and Language, click this little I next to the voice that we have already selected, and then under Primary Voice, we can select between different voices once again.
Hi, I'm Tracy, the female American English speech synthesis.
Hello, my name is Lizzie.
You can also change different aspects of the voice, including the speech rate.
Hello, my name is Lizzie. I'm one of the child American. Hello, my name is Lizzie. Hello, my name is.
And you can even change the pitch of the voice under voice personalization.
Hello,
My name is Lizzie. I'm one of the child American English.
hello, my name is Lizzie. I'm one of the child. Hello, my name is Lizzie. I'm one.
To change the grid size, click Settings and Appearance. Down to View, Default Grid Size. So right now we're at 45 buttons, but we can go down and we can go up. Also, if we wanted to change the overall background color to personalize the profile to the client even more, click Settings, Appearance, View, and Advanced Options, Background Color, and then we can switch between different fun colors. Now, to type in a message and use the message bar, simply tap on the icon.
I want.
So the home page has the basic, most used vocabulary on the front, and then at the bottom, there are many folders that you can navigate to find less used vocabulary.
French fries.
And then if we want to speak this entire message in one sentence,
I want French fries.
you simply tap the message bar above. Now, let's say I wanted to say a different food word that I cannot easily find on the screen. You can search up any item by clicking the 4 boxes in the bottom left corner right here. For example, if I wanted to say milkshake, now the app will tell me where I can find this next time.
milkshake,
Additionally, the app will save recent search history. So if I once again forgot where that word was,
I want,
click on the bottom left-hand corner, search, and then past searches will appear right here.
milkshake, I want milkshake,
To change the grammar of a message, you simply have to hold down your tap on a button. So if you want to say that you ate a food in the past,
I
hold down this button.
ate hamburgers, I ate hamburgers,
So then you can change the verb and you can also change the part of speech of any other word as well. To add a folder, we're going to go to the place where we want to add the folder. So I want to add a toys folder into things. So click the pencil in the bottom toolbox. On the right is the add folder button, and on the left is the add icon button. So we're going to click on the right and new folder. There's different templates to choose from. So this will help you not start off with a completely blank page, which might be more time consuming to program. So if we want to add a toys folder here, let's start with toys and games. So as you can see, there's some vocabulary that might be helpful when working with toys or games, or you can start with no template from scratch. Click next, and we will name it toys. Click done. As you can see, a folder with this name already exists. So Proloquo2Go has a lot of pre-programmed folders that are really helpful that make programming go by a little bit faster. So let's click OK. And to bypass that, let's type in Sheridan's Toys. And then click done right here and done up here. Great. Now if we go into the folder, we can see that the pre-programmed buttons are here. To find the folder that is already installed in the app, click more, and we can see the folders here that already has is already a lot more personalized to toys. And so if we would like to edit this app, this folder, we can click on the folder, and the pre-programmed folders have a lot of icons already in storage. So this is the storage button. So we can easily add all of these icons. If we go back to the folder that we created, you can see that if we edit it and go to storage, that there is nothing in storage. So if we want to add a lot of icons at once, it might take more time. All right, next, to delete a folder, we are going to click on the pencils button and click on the folder, and then click this delete button right here. We can either move it to storage or delete permanently. Now to add an icon, let's say we wanted to add an icon about our cat. So let's add it here in people. We want to click this pencil button And then the one on the left is to add an icon. The one on the right is to add a folder. So my cat's name is Callie. Click done. And as you can see, it changed the symbol to be yellow. Now, Proloquo has a feature that the parts of speech are coded to be different colors. So pronouns are orange, verbs are typically purple, and nouns are typically yellow. So if we wanted to change that part of speech, we would scroll down to word kind. And as you can see, we can change it to a pronoun, so it would be orange, a verb, so it would be purple, but we are going to keep it a proper noun. Click done.
Collie.
However, as you can see, it's not pronouncing my cat's name right. My cat's name is Callie, not Collie. So if we wanted to change this, we can edit the pronunciation by clicking the settings button, clicking speech and language, and then clicking on the little I next to the voice. Pronunciation in English, edit pronunciations, and press the plus button. So the original text, what is on the icon, is spelled like this. And then for pronunciation, you want to try to spell it how you would sound it out. So this can work multiple different ways. It kind of is a process of trial and error. So press
Callie.
speak. So that is the correct way to pronounce it. But as you can see, there is different ways.
Callie.
Or you can use phonetics if you are proficient in that. So now this is done. We can back out of it.
Callie.
And now it will say it correctly. But we want a picture of my cat because right now this is not representing her. So click the pencil icon, click on the icon you would like to edit, and then under the picture, click the edit button, choose a picture. Okay, crop the picture and make sure you click use right here, and then done.
Callie.
So there you go. Now I have an icon representing my pet cat. Now to delete an icon, click the pencil button, click on the icon, and then you can click on this trash can symbol. And we can either move it to storage or delete permanently. Moving it to storage will move it over here. And it's in alphabetical order, so she is right there. If we would like to quickly add that symbol back in. Now, if you wish to add icons quickly of a similar category, we will demonstrate that in toys. So click the edit button once again, and then we are going to click the storage button. And let's find a few toys that our client possibly uses pretty often. So let's say hoodie and a rubber duck. To send them to the first page, we click this one button and then done. And so now those two things showed up on the first page. There's also a second page, and this is typically things that are used less often by our clients. So we can also send things there. Click on the storage button, choose the items that we wish to send over, and click on this number 2. So now these items have shown up on the second page. If we wish to move some of these back to storage, maybe our client has lost interest in some of these items, click the edit button, pick the items that the client does not use very often, and then we can send it to storage. Now, to lock the device so that it becomes more difficult to edit, click Settings, Restrictions, and Edit Mode. Turn that off. So now the pencil disappears from the toolbar on the bottom. If we want to make it even more difficult to edit the icons, go to Settings, scroll down to Proloquo, and then turn off the Show Options button. What this does is that it also takes the settings symbol out of the toolbar below. So let's turn that back on. And turn that back on here, and those two icons come back at the bottom. Finally, to change the selection option, maybe you have a client that has less fine motor control. Click Settings, and we would like to click on Access Method. Select On Release. So now I could click anywhere on the screen, but it is not going to say the icon unless I let go. The icon where I let go is what it says.
Go.
Another access method is scanning. So if the client is not able to access direct selection, maybe they need a switch, we can turn on scanning. And make sure to press the play button in the upper left-hand corner. And so now you have to click and wait for it to get to the option that you would like to say.
Go.
And then to stop scanning, the pause button up here, and we can turn that back off. And that concludes the video about basic programming and Proloquo2Go. Thanks for watching.